Okay, so just kind of reviewing again here. We have the Dropbox, and that's something that I would have sent you a link to invite you to Dropbox, and that way you can have access to all of the folders, and I'll go over what's in those folders. Well, let me run over there real quick. So if we go to Dropbox here, let's say I'm going to go over to Dropbox. Dropbox is just a place where we can store everything. So this is called the Mustang's exposure system, but I've got all the graphics that you're going to need for this project, all the letters, all the scripts, all the videos, all the YouTube links. So everything is going to be there. So that's a little bit about Dropbox. So you got to have that open, okay? Now, now it's time to set up Mobi Pro. So Mobi Pro is the text feature that allows you to have a keyword. Person can text their number and then they get an auto response back. And so I want to kind of explain a little bit Mobi Pro and why you purchased Mobi Pro. And if you purchased it, you go over to add-ons. You should purchase. That's that extra $25 every month. So $125 is total. You should have, looking for something already purchased, you should have it here. If it's not here and you purchased it, you need to go into support and submit a ticket. And, go over here, submit ticket. And this is regarding Mobi Pro. And then just tell them, I've already purchased Mobi Pro during sign up. Not listed as purchased. Okay? Please fulfill Mobi Pro order. Whatever. So, so something like that. And then scroll down here and hit submit. Okay? I'm not going to do it because they'll get a little confused over there. So the point is, once you have it here, you click on Mobi Pro. This takes you to an actual panel. And this is an actual pretty cool feature. You have keywords now. See that code 69302? That's called a short code. All of us have the same short code. What we have different is a keyword. Mine is preacher's trainer. I purchased another keyword for my other coaching program, which is a marriage program. But you want to purchase it. So once you purchase it, then you want to set up for a new campaign. All right. The first thing you're going to do, you have to select your keyword. So you're going to go over here under select a keyword, and they'll give you an opportunity to select it. And I don't have it set up here to show you, but you just have to give it some kind of a name that represents your brand. Don't do something real complicated, because you got to remember, people are going to be typing on their phones, and if you put some 15-letter something, just understand that they may mess it up. So try to keep it simple. Okay? So that's your keyword. Now, once you get your keyword purchased, the next step is you got to set up a campaign. So you hit new campaign, and opt-in campaign is what this is, called an opt-in. They're going to opt in. Give it a name. I'm going to call it test here. Organization name, you can do the same thing. The list name, you can say Mobi Pro, and whatever the name is. Description, you got to put in something here. This is a campaign or something. Whatever. Had to be 4 characters there. All right, so then they want to know, what is your autoresponder message? Now, this is going to be real important. So, thank you for your interest, and then put in click on link and fill out form, something like that. You can't have it that long. And remember that link I was telling you? Put that link there. Now, if you don't remember how to get it, go back over to Office Pro, and when Office Pro opens, go into Power Tools, which is Power Tools, to subscribe form. You've got to actually open up the form. So go to the form that you open it up, and mine is comment 5. Edit. You're going to say, you know, next, next, next. And right here on the finish, you're going to scroll this down past that one little red thing and get over here and grab this one here. That's the one. And then put that, you know, right here. And then hit continue. And then they're going to want me to assign it to a particular keyword, which I'm not. But once you assign it the keyword, now you're ready to go. Your campaign is ready. Because I don't want to change that. So just kind of step through the steps. So that's Mobi Pro. Okay? Real important to get that going. And then test it. You know, what you want to do is text 69302. That's going to go in your actual text. And then, where the phone number is. Like normally you have a phone number, you're going to text to a person. You put 69302. That's where you're going to. And then in the message port, you're going to put your keyword, whatever your keyword is. Mine is Preacher's Trainer. So I'll put Preacher's Trainer to 69302. Hit send, and then that's, you know, then it comes back. And you can, if you were in as a reseller with me, I had you do it. If you're getting this from someone else, you can do mine just to kind of see how it works, or the person who sponsored you, if they did it correctly, which I'm sure they did. But that's where it starts, because what you want to do is get a person to open that, you know. And basically what would happen, you would say, if I can show you a way to diversify, if I can show you a way to leverage mobile marketing at the same time, diversify or replace your existing income on a residual basis, would you be interested in learning more? If they say yes, then you say, okay, get out your phone, I'm going to demonstrate how this works. Text, put in the number 69302 and text whatever your keyword is, and hit send. Now you'll get back 2 responses. One will be, you know, the data information. The second will be the actual link. Open that link up now, fill out the form, hit subscribe, and it should say thank you if you did it right. That starts the exposure process, okay? And that is pretty much it, okay? All right. So now we're going to go back, and the next step is going to create a signature.